Is your school struggling to communicate with parents and students? Are you spending a lot on SMS text messages? Are contact details out of date? Are parents not getting the message? Have you hassle collecting school payments and organising activities? GDPR data concerns and also big child safety worries? Komeer has the answer. Komeer provides an easy-to-use and secure platform that makes it a cinch to communicate with parents, send safety alerts, organise activities and collect payments for school books, swimming lessons, school trips and much more, with no more school bag notes. Komeer also provides some really clever GDPR management and health checks to make sure that your schools and parents' data are up to date and fully compliant. With Komeer, you can save your school up to 85% on communication costs, collect payments securely by card or by direct debit, and avoid the risk of GDPR nightmares. To find out more and sign up for a free trial, please visit www.komeer.com.